Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your oxygen sensors in this Honda Civic. This is a 2004 with a 1.7. Okay, and the tools you'll need for today are we got these oxygen sensor attachments for our ratchet. Okay, this one is going to go on your upstream oxygen sensor, and we'll use this one for the downstream oxygen sensor. Now I'll show you the location. Okay, so now we're going to hop up under here. Flipping around, we're doing all kinds of crazy maneuvers, and there's our first one. This is your upstream, and you can see we're just right here at the front of the car. For this one, we'll take our little, I think it's called like a crow's foot, and you just reach up there and you stick it on there like that. Then you get your ratchet on there, lefty loosey, and out she comes. And then the connector is easy. You follow the wire, you follow all the way right up there, and you'll disconnect it from up top. So then our rear one, our downstream, is going to be right there. So I'm just going to reach back here with my other special little socket, and I'm just going to get on them like that. Take your ratchet, go ahead, take them out, follow the wire. This one was clipped right here, so you just unclip that and then squeeze and pull to disconnect there, and lefty loosey this guy on out. And it might be a good idea to take some PB Blaster, spray it in there. It'll help it come loose better. So that's it. It's pretty much not too difficult of a job unless you got a lot of rust. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.